Now in this lecture we will see the some points of the SEO after the black and the white hat. So next is the optimization or optimizing SEO. So optimization, it means to analyze, to observe the website for the better SEO. Optimization is the process where we can analyze and observe whatever the website which is, or whatever the website we prepared. Next, there are the various section of the website which can be optimized for better SEO. So what are the some optimization technique, or what are the various section that will we see one by one. First one is the SEO page structure optimization. So what is indicate that the page structure optimization? So we know that HTML program should start with the HTML tag. So this is the some standard format for the designing of particular web pages. So HTML page should start with the standard format. If we use some tag into that particular page, or we use the singular tag in the page, suppose that will be the paragraph or the heading, so that should be end by using a particular syntax, or that should be end by using the slash of that particular tag. So this is the normal, or this is the standard format for the structure of the optimization. So page structure optimization consists of, there should be a standard format. So in that, so order of the tag should be proper. Most of the time the recently open tag will be closed first. So when we are working on the website, or when we work on the web pages, so ultimately we have to use the HTML program over there. And when you use the HTML program, that program should be have the some standard format, or we can call it is whatever the tag we start, that should be the end. Again, we should have to open, we can write down the HTML head, then title, body, and then in that body we can insert the multiple paragraph, multiple headings. We can apply the multiple property, that is the left alignment, right alignment, float property. Okay, so this is the page structure optimization. First of all, that is the first point, that is the page structure optimization. Next one is the SEO keyword. So we know that keyword is nothing but the some significance word. So whenever we are dividing, or when we are creating the particular website, that website should be have the keywords, and that keyword play a very important roles in that particular designment or particular design of the website. So SEO keyword are the important word or the phrase in the website development. Next is the keyword search and analyze is an important part of the SEO and search engine marketing. Ultimately, whatever the keyword you are going to use in that particular website, that will be affect if that should be the attractive, or that should be the significant word. Ultimately, the marketing of your particular search engine will get a increase. Next one is the SEO social bookmarking. So SEO social bookmarking is the powerful tool to promoting your website. So promoting means we should have to promote it, or we should have to give the promotion of the website into the some social bookmarking, so that ultimately the use of your, or the ranking of your website will get automatically increase. So it is very useful for off page SEO optimization. So you know that in that off page SEO optimization, there are the several number of links available. So in that link again the multiple pages is available. So bookmark are the website link that can be stored in the browser memory for the future references. Again, the large web URL is difficult to the memorize, so that the bookmark are used to save that larger website or larger URL for the future references. So whatever the search we are done, that should be the save for the future references. Next one is the SEO social media optimization. So SEO social media optimization deals with to increase the website ranking using the interactive social media technology. By using the, like suppose we will take the example of the Facebook, Twitter, blog, Instagram. So in this type of SEO, we can increase the popularity of our website. So we can put that particular website into that social media, so that ultimately if something is some ad is come into the social media, ultimately that ranking will be increased. So someone looking for that, whatever the link we are paste over there. Next one is the SEO backlinks. SEO backlink are the hyperlink on the web page when we user can click after redirect to the another web page. So multiple, if the website is consist of the multiple page, and that in that multiple page multiple URL is also available. When we click on the one URL, again we should, if we want to come back to the previous page, so redirecting facility is also available on that SEO. Next is the some other factors which is used in the optimization. The first one is the speed of the website. So how to calculate the speed of website? So first of all, the speed of website is depend on the designing, content and visual effect. Ultimately, if we apply the multiple graphics and multiple visual effect into the website, the speed will get a decrease. So we should have to create a very good, very well or very good designing website, but that should consist of some design content, some visual effect, but that should be or that should not be more. If that is, if we apply the more or multiple visual effects and our GUI is very, means we are applying some graphics over there, so ultimately the speed is get affected. So the speed of the website is depend upon whatever the design content and whatever the visual effect you are inserted into the particular SEO, which particular website. Next one is the mobile friendly. So this is very important part. Whatever website you are going to create, that should be very much mobile friendly, because of nowadays we are using the mobile or handheld devices. So that if that is user friendly with the mobile, then and then only it will be a more popular. If it is not open by using the handheld or the mobile devices, then ultimately the ranking of website will get a reduce. So we should have to remember, whatever the website or whatever the SEO we should have to design, that should be the handheld device should be open that particular website, so that should be the mobile friendly website. Okay. Next one is the creating the robots. Means what is it? Suppose if you want to include some file into your website, suppose you are preparing the index, which kind of link should be available on that. If you want to exclude some from your indexing, so that kind of thing is called as the creating the robots. So this file tells search engine which page you want to exclude from your indexing. So whatever indexing you are going to prepare, that should be contain whatever the point or whatever the pages should contain that particular index. The page you not want to include, that should be the excluded from the index. Next one is the audit. So SEO audit, what is the use of audit? You know that very well. Audit means we should have to find out where is the lacunas or what kind of the means drawbacks in the current system. So for finding or whether the current system is working properly or not, so for that purpose there should be the audit. This is the normal example of the audit. But SEO audit help us to find out what could be done to improve the ranking of the website. Again, this is the SEO audit is also used to improve the ranking of website on the search engine, so the consumer can find the website easily. Ultimately, if the rank is increased, so we can easily find out, because that is the frequently available. Next one is the auditing process, analyze the health of the website. So example, so means whatever health means whatever the process is going on, that is the right. If any error is there, then any lacunas are there, so we should have to remove that. So that process means on analyzing the health of the website. Next one is the audit result of the SEO optimizer will have the following details. So whatever, if after the condition or after the completion of your audit, there should be the following type of details should be available. That should be the first one is the overall ranking of the site, then recommendation for the improvement, then the search engine optimization, usability of the website, performance of the website, then the social link connected to the social account. So these kind of audit or this type of result should be done, or this type of result should be displayed after the successful SEO audit. So in this way we can able to see what is meant by the SEO and the type of SEO. So this end your chapter, so we will stop here.